Different dog photo every time.
This dog. Just a completely normal, cheerful, perfectly real dog.
Can also go down that hallway now.
Hello, Mike. This is a pre-recorded message. After the signal, you may leave a request for anything you might need. We'll do what we can. Our feelings toward you haven't changed, Mike.
Pluribus reference.
Everything that happened, we think you might need a little more space.
Thanks, guys. Oh, I have choices. Morty!
Thanks, Morty. I don't know what I'd do without you.